Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. Today, I'll show you how to make the juiciest and most tender salmon, marinated with spicy mustard and honey, and served with zucchini on the side, cooked in the air fryer. You'll find the list of ingredients on the screen and in the description below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more cooking recipes, if you haven't already. Alright, let's begin. Start by rubbing the salmon fillet with honey and spicy mustard. Make sure to coat both sides. Sprinkle with some rosemary. If you don't have fresh rosemary, dry works just fine. Leave the salmon to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. While it's resting, let's prepare the zucchini. Slice them into 1-inch pieces. Sprinkle with crushed black pepper, and place the slices into a bag. Crush and dice the garlic cloves. Then add them to the bag, along with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Shake well to coat everything, and set aside for 10 minutes. Now, preheat your air fryer to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also bake or grill this in the oven, but I prefer the air fryer for its speed and flavor. Cook the zucchini for about 20 minutes, flipping the slices halfway through so they cook evenly. When they're done, transfer them to a dish and cover to keep warm. Next, let's cook the salmon. Set the air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You don't need to flip the fish, but I like to cover the thinner part of the fillet with a small piece of aluminum foil to prevent burning. At the end, check the thickest part to make sure it's cooked through. If it is, take it out and serve with a zucchini on the side. Enjoy! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.